Thanks to an author colleague, I was referred to do this writer's workshop with Youth Corps. We had already written a Where I'm From poem. They did that independently, and they would picture this. Picture this can morph in a different way. So I had decorative paper. I gave them each 3 sheets so they had options, and they had to use 1, 2, or 3 sheets to inspire a poem to write as a group that they would eventually perform in front of their peers. The creativity was beautiful to watch, and seeing them grow and seeing them perform the poems was pretty cool. And you're about to hear some of the performances here. Just stay tuned.
Towels, summertime, the simple sandcastles.
Summertime, the sound of kids laughing. Summertime, the sails laughing.
Summertime. The feel of sand running through my feet. This is summertime, and it makes my life feel complete.
One is called Man Cave. The alarm wakes me up, sounding like a roar. My sister is in my room. Get out and close the door.
Stand out from the crowd, discover and explore. As I open my game, I'm ready to shoot and score.
Alright, so the standard of beauty or how it's changed, how everyone is different, we don't look the same, but others want us to look like them. They push us and tell us how to live, but culture only likes you if you are the trend. If you do it their way, they love you. It's like you can't be yourself, they'll judge you. Different shades is what saves. Take on this viewpoint and you won't be the same.